I originally got this Philips travel shaver for traveling, but since I've used it, it kind of grown on me, so now I use it as a weekly shaver, and it's something I've been using for years. And what I do like about it a lot is that the movable shaving heads fit and contour with my face, and it actually feels pretty comfortable. It's easy to clean and maintain, easy to oil, which I oil at least once a week. The batteries are easy accessible. We're here through the front. It actually includes batteries whenever you purchase this item. So I actually swapped them out after my batteries died and put in a rechargeable one. So I have rechargeable batteries that are in here. The front cover comes right off. Snap it right into place. Now let's have a closer look. It includes a protective cover for traveling. I like the sleek design where it actually fits in the palm of your hand. It has self-sharpening blades that are removable so you can easily swap them out. Simple on and off switch. In the rear is a release button to remove the head. This shaver includes a brush so you can clean out this area, and then you can pull out the blades and clean out the blades, which lasts up to 2 years. The replacement blades model is HQ56. Everything technically snaps right into place. I suggest cleaning it out weekly or sooner depending on how much you shave during the week. Use an oil that you can purchase separately. Here I'm showing you how to apply it on the heads. You just put a little dab in 3 areas of each head, and then you wipe it with your fingers around the head, and then you turn it on and let it run for a little bit. Okay, now let's have a quick look at my shaving results. Well, I think that's close enough without cutting myself. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.